Hey everyone, this is Pai Patel, and today we're talking about a really interesting new Ethereum-based cryptocurrency called Kucoin Shares. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. I am so excited to talk about this cryptocurrency because it has a very interesting twist that distinguishes it from all other coins and tokens out there. And that twist is the coveted passive income that everyone is after. And this one really works. The Kucoin share tokens are distributed through the Kucoin exchange. Now you can access that by going to 314.show/Kucoin. The Kucoin exchange is a relatively new exchange, but it's already in the top 20 exchanges based on trade volume. And it rewards users with lots of over-the-top contests, prizes, giveaways, and they have one of the best referral programs out there. So you may be asking yourself, how does all this work? Well, it works by you transferring some of your Bitcoins or other currency to the Kucoin exchange. Then you're able to trade and acquire the Kucoin shares using the currency that you just transferred. Now, owning these tokens offer two major benefits, among others, that will encourage you to want to hoard as many as you can. The first benefit is that it's going to seriously reduce your trading fees. Any trader knows that the fees associated with trading can be so costly in the long run. So, in a very similar fashion to Binance's BNB token, simply owning Kucoin shares, you will see those fees go down significantly. And the more you own, the lower your fees will be. Now, the second and more important benefit. Simply owning the Kucoin shares entitles you to a portion of the exchange's trading fees. Like, how cool is that? Again, the more Kucoin shares that you own, the more of these trading fees you will passively receive as a reward. And you'll never have to lift a finger. How that works is Kucoin Exchange, which is the only exchange that has Kucoin shares, by the way, will be taking 50% of all the trading fees that they acquire from their user base, then redistributing those fees proportionately to all the owners of the Kucoin shares. It may not seem like a lot on paper. However, when you crunch the numbers, this can add up to a very significant amount, as it encourages traders to hold on to their tokens instead of selling them. It's hard for me to report the exact numbers at the time of this video because there are way too many factors that determine the payout amounts, and they're always changing. But if you check out this handy dandy calculator published on KucoinShares.com, you can easily calculate the total passive income you'll be entitled to based on the coins you purchase. Did I mention that the Kucoin exchange has one of the best referral programs out there? If you refer someone like a friend or a family member to sign up on the exchange, you are then entitled to 20% of their direct trading fees. And if they sign someone up, you're then entitled to that person's trading fees up to 12%, and so on and on. This can also add up very quickly, as you can probably imagine. Couple this with the passive income earned from Kucoin shares, some users have reported making up to 6 figures in passive income, and we're still just in the beginning stages of this currency. Now for some of the technical details. Kucoin shares has a fairly high market cap for the price. This can mean that it will take some time for the price to boost a very significant amount. However, this could be offset to a degree by its very obvious benefit in the torrents of people investing into its passive income potential. Also, the exchange plans to buy back a large amount of the coins to simply burn them at quarterly intervals, which will result in directly rewarding their investors with a smaller supply and therefore increasing the overall value of the token. This token is not mineable by any means, and it's only distributed from the Kucoin exchange. It's an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain, with the development team being led by CEO Michael Gann, who is a technical expert of Ant Financial, founded by the Alibaba Group, and whose platform Alipay is the world's largest mobile and online payment platform. There are not many cons to this currency, other than the fact that it only serves to benefit a small group of people, that is the Kucoin exchange traders, and also that the token and exchange are both natively based out of Hong Kong, which can become an issue from a support and documentation standpoint. Okay, that's my quick overview of the exciting opportunity in Kucoin Shares. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below. Let me know if you learned anything or if you have anything to add to the topic. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at PieceOfThePy. And if you're going to sign up for the Kucoin exchange, please support me in my show by using my referral link. That's all for this episode. Tune in next time to get your piece of the pie. Because there's way too many factors that determine the payment amount. Oh, no. Couple that with the passive income earned from the Kucoin shares, Oh. I have food and I just flicked it. There are not too many cons to this currency. My voice cracked. http:/:. Wait, why did I do the http? However, this could. My tummy made a funny growling sound. So that's my quick overview of the exciting new opportunity in Bitcoin shares. So that's it. That's my quick and that's all for this episode. Tune in next time to get your piece of the prize. Piece of the prize.